Let's see what we got here. It's a flower dog. Look at that. It smells so good. It's got ribbons in his ears.
Can I hold my balloon?
It's got a flowery tail.
Can I?
Holy macaroni. And balloons. And what did the balloons say?
If you go do one, and then it's got a smiley face on the other one.
Let's see. And one balloon. Whoa. One balloon has a picture of somebody videotaping. And there's...
You've got a carnation tail. Isn't that cute? That is as cute as
that is as cute as can be.
That is just precious.
Oh, and did you read the card? It just says...
it just says, get well soon, Ernst & Young.
Okay, well, we'll have to call our my work buddies at Ernst & Young and tell them thanks, won't we, Galo?
Yeah. Hey, but Daddy.
Yes, Tigeroo. Yes, Buck.
I want you to untie the balloon.
Okie doke. I'm going to untie the balloon. Funday School. It's a Funday School day. Dedicated to families who care. With the Funday School clown. Clobber. We're picking up Sethy. Beautiful, nice, safe Williams Road atmosphere. Oh, there's Old King Goal. And there's the door. Let's go find Mr. Sethy. Here comes Miss Julie.
Hey, Galen, I know this is for you, isn't it? For everybody to say hi to you.
Yeah.
I hope you're doing okay.
We're doing great, Miss Julie.
Awkward on camera.
Did you miss us?
So, yes, I've missed you a lot, Galen.
Okay.
And everybody has asked where you're at every single day. They ask Seth, where's Galen?
All right, well,
and
look.
Seth tells them he'll be here tomorrow every day.
Okay.
So, but we'll see you later, okay?
Great. All right. Here's the beautiful back building where Seth and Galen go to school. There's a beautiful back pool where they go to pool. There's a little ridey around thing. Here is one of the most beautiful, big, tall trees. Isn't that gorgeous? Funday School country. There's the Funday School playground. Yes, indeed. And now, the hunt continues for Mr. Seth. Why am I taping him? Gotcha. Okay. Got your jacket?
If I get your name down, you can consider staying in the library. Trevor and Clayton, don't you by my feet now.
Where's your jacket, baby? Hey, Seth, where you going, buddy? Where you... Yeah, I already picked him. You already picked me up, he said. Why don't you get your step out of the Funday School fountain? Completely spontaneous and unrehearsed water drinking from the crew boy. No, I'm fine. Hey, Seth, you ready to go home? Do you like getting picked up a little early? What do you want to do when you get home? Oh, the old 3 snack problem, eh? I think a snack will be all right.
Hey, look at that. Look at those tiny ones.
Yeah. Tell me, which fish is your favorite?
The little tiny ones.
The little tiny ones. Does he have a name?
I can't call him.
You can call him what?
You can call him Turtle.
Clark? Yeah, Clark is the way to go, isn't it? We didn't bring medicine today. Okay, come on, Daddy. Here we go. Galen, he's just... Wow. That's a school bus.
Look!
Oh, man! Monster! Whoa! Yeah! Happiness seen made to be shot. Yeah, boy, Galen's not going to believe it when we show him that monster truck, is he?
No! Can we watch it when we get home?
He sure can. Wow. You can move that blanket, hon. You can just push that blanket on the floor. Can you show everybody how to buckle up? Push it in. Buckle up for safety. Excellent. All right. We ready to blow this taco stand? We ready to blow this joint? Okay. Say goodbye. Hi, where'd you go? I thought you were in the car.
I'm right here.
Whoop. Ah. Shall we check the mail?
I think so.
Okay. Don't get out of the road now. Oh, look, mail. Just warning you. Okay. You ready to take off to the door?
Yeah.
In search of Seth Foot. I hear you knocking, but you can't come in.
Give your brother a hug and kiss. We're happy to see you.
Oh, sugary.
Daddy was taking me when he taped that monster truck.
Did he?
Oh, wait till you see.
What monster truck?
Wait till you see.
We're gonna watch it.
Jesus loves them. Yes, I know.
What's this dinosaur here for?
That's a piggy bank dinosaur. You put coins in his slot. He's not a toy to play with. You only put coins in him.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Something's behind there, outside, I think.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Victoria.
Hmm.
This was their Halloween mask. That was their other Halloween mask. Daddy made the lion.
Daddy, can we watch it?
You ready to watch this video?
Yeah.
Oh!
Are you good men and true? Hey, that more punishment's too good for them if they should.
Give me a